good.
I'm here in spirit.
I'm here in spirit and in person. What are we working on today? What is this magnificent beast?
So today we've got another 2016 C63. This is not an S model, whereas the one we did for about 3 4 weeks ago, I think, was an S. So the difference is these have 470 horsepower, 650 Newton standard, that's what they book at. The S has 510 and 700. This is coming for exactly the same work as the last one we showed you on the channel, which was literally a couple of videos ago, for CKS Downpipes and panel filters. The last one we used K&M panels. This one the customer supplied AFE panels, which I believe ML Performance sell. To be fair, like we said to him, it's not that we don't think they're good, it's just not what we use. We tend to use K&N or BMS, but obviously we buy them all from CKS with the downpipes. But that's that, yeah, so it's coming for downpipes filters. It's now the dyno to be tuned, stage 2.
Cool. So for all intents and purposes, although this isn't an S, the main things with an S is software.
Yeah, it's just software. So
it should end up similar.
Yeah, so we're aiming for the same kind of power, same kind of torque. The last one we did, I think it's done about half the mileage. I mean, don't get me wrong, this one isn't high, it's only like 50, 55k I think, but the last one I think was only 25, 30k. Believe this one should be on 99, whereas the last one's on 97, so it'll be an interesting comparison.
Okay. So what we're going to do is a rip stock with downpipes stuff fitted, yeah?
The plan right now is we're just going to do do a pull first on whatever software's on the ECU. Obviously we believe it to be stock, but the only way to read the true contents of the ECU is to read up the bench. So we're going to do a pull as the car is now with the downpipes, with the filters, see what we make, get some data logs, and then it'll be stage 2 base and go again.
Cool. Okay, let's do that then. Too bad, is it?
No, she's done alright. 490 horsepower, 650 Newton meters, raw load graph, right there.
So,
and yeah, data looks good, clean. So
with downpipes and filters, we're going about 20 brake.
Yeah, I mean, to be fair, we did see this with Gavin's one, which was the S, so they book at 510 from memory, because 530 or 535, so it's 20, 25 horsepower up, which, you know, it's not abnormal to see. I mean, you've got to think, you take cats out, you increase flow because you're decreasing restriction. Sometimes, I actually saw a real big post on Facebook about this the other day, which I'll be honest, I didn't comment on because an issue
it's not worth it.
To be fair, an issue for me is you get people who genuinely are knowledgeable talking at people who have zero knowledge of cars. And I think this lad who put a downpipe on, the company who sell it say you need to get it mapped, blah, 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 all these reasons, all of which are true, turbos overspinning, and then you get all the idiots going, no, you don't need to do that. And I just thought, you know what, I'm not going to comment, because it's easier than just having a brief and trying to teach people that don't learn. But yeah, so it's not uncommon to see turbos overspinning, it's not uncommon to see power, don't get me wrong.
Obviously with this and Gavin, sorry to interject, we didn't run them before the downpipes taken out, so they could have been reading lower than claimed figures anyway.
Correct, yeah.
So it could be 30, 40, 50 break even, we just don't know.
Normally what we do, like Pam's just said, is we will normally run stuff stock. A lot of the time we do is because these are a big shop down, we just don't have the time. So this is kind of the best of both worlds before we dig into tuning it, just to see roughly what we're working with. Obviously if we span this up and it made less than sort of power downpipe, we know it's going to power.
Yeah, it's got a problem.
But like I said, we've had 2 within 3 or 4 weeks of each other. Yeah, I mean Gavin's did make more torque actually with the downpipe stuff. This did stock. But yeah, it's all
every engine, every car's different.
No, exactly.
Okay, so the plan is now what, stage 2 base?
Yes, pretty much stage 2 base, and then we're just going to chip into it. Yeah, hammer it out.
you're doing, what you're wearing,
So,
all that good stuff.
Don't you close your blind.
Exactly.
So yeah, a few runs later, done a couple of revisions, 590 horsepower, and we're between back-to-back runs, we're normally seeing anywhere between sort of 735 and 749 newton meters, which again is very in the ballpark of what Gavin saw. Horsepower-wise, we're a little bit down compared to where we want it to be. One thing I have noticed, if I compare the data between this and Gavin's car, is the wastegate tube is 15 to 20% higher most of the time, trying to make the boost that we're after compared to Gavin's. And obviously it could just be because it's got a bit more mileage on, the turbos aren't in as good condition, and up the end we're seeing, or right at the top we're seeing it start to drop off, which if I overlay Gavin's graph it doesn't do. So it could just be that the turbos aren't in the best condition.
Yeah. But we still, I mean, 590 is definitely not
Don't be wrong,
sniffed at.
it's 120 horsepower over book. It's 100 horsepower that it made on stock software with the downpipes. So,
And the graph is nice.
no, it's a lovely graph. Yeah, lovely flat torque spread. And yeah, hopefully this sort of leads the way for stage 3 bigger turbos.
I believe that's what is on the cards, isn't it?
Yeah.
So effectively, I mean, we're kind of running the boost we can run, the wastegate's doing what they can do,